Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to connect Typeform and HubSpot for lead generation. This integration is incredibly useful because it automatically sends your Typeform responses directly into HubSpot as new contacts, saving you hours of manual data entry and ensuring no lead ever slips through the cracks. If you want to get started on Typeform, you can click on the link in the description down below. First, open your browser and head over to typeform.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log in using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your dashboard where all your existing forms are displayed. This is your central hub for managing everything related to your Typeforms. Now, take a look at the forms listed on your dashboard. Click on the name of the form you want to connect to HubSpot. If you don't have a form ready yet, you can create a new one right from this screen. The key here is selecting the specific form that will be capturing your leads. Once you're inside your chosen form, direct your attention to the top of the page where you'll see several options. Click on the button that says Connect. This is where all your integration magic happens, allowing Typeform to communicate with other platforms you use. In the integration search bar that appears, type in HubSpot. You'll see various integration options pop up, but we're specifically looking for the HubSpot CRM integration. Once you spot it, click the Connect button next to HubSpot. This initiates the connection process between the two platforms. Next, you'll be prompted to authenticate your HubSpot account. Click on Authenticate, and you'll be redirected to log into your HubSpot account. Make sure you're using the correct HubSpot account that you want your leads to flow into. This step ensures that Typeform has permission to send data to your HubSpot CRM. After authentication, here's where things get really interesting. You'll need to map your Typeform questions to HubSpot properties. This tells the system exactly where each piece of information should go in HubSpot. You'll notice that some fields are automatically mapped for you. For example, email addresses are typically auto-matched since they're standard across both platforms. For any additional fields you want to sync, click Add Field to manually map them. Let's say you have a question asking for someone's first name in your Typeform. You'd map that to HubSpot's first name property. Do this for every field you want to transfer over, ensuring your contact records in HubSpot will be complete and organized. Now here's a bonus feature. If you check the box that says Send Existing Responses, Typeform will backfill all your previous form submissions as contacts in HubSpot. This is perfect if you've already collected responses before setting up this integration and don't want to lose that valuable lead data. Finally, click Save or turn on integration to activate the connection. Your Typeform and HubSpot are now working together seamlessly. From this point forward, every time someone fills out your form, their information will automatically appear as a new contact in your HubSpot CRM, ready for your sales team to follow up with. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.